Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Index S2 Scale. In this video I'll show you how to add your weight goal. To add your weight goal, let's go to Garmin Connect App and scroll down. Enter weight, go to settings, and now tap Add Weight Goal. Select it, tap Done, tap Save, and your goal is located here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.